Welcome to the world of data science. This field has been growing rapidly in recent years and for good reason. With the abundance of data that is being generated every day, there is a huge demand for professionals who can extract insights and make informed decisions from it. Hurdles. Like any field, data science also has its own set of challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is dealing with messy, unstructured data. Another challenge is to ensure that the findings from the data analysis are accurate and free from bias. It's also important to have a good understanding of statistics and programming to succeed in this field. Goals of data science. The ultimate goal of data science is to extract meaningful insights from data, and use these insights to solve real-world problems. This can range from improving business operations, predicting customer behavior, to developing life-saving medical treatments. The goal is to turn data into actionable information that can be used to make better decisions. Common caveats. While data science is an exciting field, it's important to be aware of some of the common pitfalls. One of these is overfitting, where the model is too closely fit to the data and does not generalize well to new data. Another common issue is biased data, which can lead to inaccurate or unfair conclusions. Best way to approach learning data science. The best way to learn data science is to start with the basics and gradually build up your knowledge. Start with learning a programming language such as Python or R, and then move on to learning statistics and data analysis techniques. It's also important to work on projects that allow you to apply what you've learned and get hands-on experience. Finally, stay up to date with the latest developments in the field by reading articles, attending workshops, and participating in online communities. Statistics and data analysis techniques are an essential part of data science. They help you understand the data, make predictions, and draw conclusions from it. Some common statistical techniques used in data science include descriptive statistics, which summarizes the main features of a dataset. Inferential statistics, which uses sample data to make inferences about a population. Hypothesis testing, which helps to determine if the results of an experiment are significant or not. Regression analysis, which is used to model the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. Data analysis techniques involve a series of steps to clean, transform, and visualize data. These steps include data cleaning, where missing or incorrect data is detected and corrected. Data transformation, where the data is transformed into a format that is suitable for analysis. Data visualization, where the data is visualized in a way that makes it easy to understand and interpret. Data modeling, where mathematical models are applied to the data to extract insights. By combining these statistical and data analysis techniques, you can gain a deeper understanding of the data, and use that understanding to solve real-world problems. Data science libraries are pre-built collections of functions and algorithms that can be used to perform various data science tasks. These libraries are written in programming languages such as Python or R and are designed to make it easier for data scientists to carry out data analysis, machine learning, and other data science tasks. Here are 7 popular data science libraries, along with a brief summary of each. NumPy. NumPy is a library for numerical computing in Python. It provides support for arrays and matrices, and is commonly used for data manipulation and cleaning. Pandas. Pandas is a library for data manipulation and analysis in Python. It provides tools for working with tabular data, such as reading data from a file, grouping data, and aggregating data. Matplotlib. Matplotlib is a data visualization library in Python. It provides a range of tools for creating visualizations, such as bar charts, histograms, and scatter plots. Seaborn. Seaborn is a visualization library built on top of Matplotlib. It provides a higher-level interface for creating more complex visualizations, and has built-in support for visualizing statistical models. Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is a machine learning library in Python. It provides a range of algorithms for tasks such as regression, classification, and clustering, and also provides tools for evaluation and model selection. TensorFlow. TensorFlow is an open-source machine learning library developed by Google. It provides a range of tools for building and training machine learning models, and is widely used for deep learning tasks such as image recognition and natural language processing. R libraries. R is a popular programming language for data analysis and statistics. There are many libraries available for R, such as ggplot2 for data visualization, dplyr for data manipulation, and caret for machine learning. These are just a few of the many libraries available for data science. By using these libraries, you can automate many of the repetitive tasks involved in data analysis and machine learning, and focus on the more important aspects of your work. Conclusion. Data science is a challenging yet rewarding field that requires a combination of technical skills, problem-solving ability, and creativity. With the right approach, you can become a successful data scientist and make a positive impact in the world. So, go ahead and start your data science journey today. Getting into data science can be a challenging but rewarding journey. Here are some steps you can take to get started. Develop a solid foundation in mathematics, statistics, and computer science. These subjects form the core of data science and are essential for understanding the concepts and algorithms used in the field. Learn a programming language. Python or R are the most commonly used programming languages in data science, so you should consider learning one of them. Get hands-on experience. There is no substitute for practical experience when it comes to learning data science. Participate in online competitions, work on personal projects, and practice solving real-world problems with the tools and techniques you are learning. Learn data analysis and visualization techniques. Understanding how to clean, manipulate, and visualize data is a critical part of data science. Study machine learning. Machine learning is a key aspect of data science, so it's important to gain a solid understanding of the algorithms and techniques used in this field. Build a portfolio. As you gain experience and knowledge, create a portfolio of your projects and experiences to showcase your skills to potential employers or clients. Network and stay updated. Network with other data scientists, attend conferences, and keep up to date with the latest developments in the field. This will help you stay current with the latest tools and techniques and build a strong network of professionals in the field. By following these steps and putting in the time and effort to learn, you can successfully make the transition into data science. I hope you had fun with this video, and please smash that like button, and hit subscribe, for more news about such ongoing trends.